Hi, this is Greg from shape+store. This brief video is designed to help you get started with your shape+store Burger Master, Burger Press, and Freezer container. The Burger Master is designed to portion and store all kinds of your favorite foods, including soups, chilies, stews, pulled pork, just to name a few. But today, we're going to use the Burger Master to portion and store 8 perfect quarter pounders, and then remove them easily after freezing. So let's get started. Okay, so tip number 1 is not to overfill the container. The Burger Master should be filled with a little bit less than 2 pounds of meat, as we see here, or for our Canadian friends, about 900 grams. Okay, so here we have our beautiful burger mix, and we're going to just pick it up and we're going to put it into the Burger Master bottom tray, and we're just going to spread it out like this. So we just want to have it evenly spread. I'm just going to take a few seconds to do that in the container, and what we're going to end up with is the bottom tray where we're going to have just a little bit of space between the top of the bottom tray and the meat. Okay, so as you can see, there's just a little bit of space and we're pretty even. We're just going to take the top lid now of the Burger Master, and we're going to put it down and we're going to squeeze. And as we squeeze, you can hear the air hissing out. Okay, and each one of those patties is going to be individually sealed in each one of those hexagonally shaped compartments. Okay, so I'm just pushing down and we're sealing that meat in there. And that's it. So now when we open it, our patented cutting action just made 8 perfect quarter pounders that are going to cook evenly on the grill. Okay, so now we have a fully frozen Burger Master with our 8 quarter pounders inside. So tip number 2 is to open bottom side up. This prevents you from having to pull the cutters out of the meat. So we just peel this back, and here are our 8 perfect patties. Now to remove them is going to be tip number 3. What we want to do is start in the corners and just pop these guys out. So that's 1, and then we rotate them and go to the next corner. And we continue on going to each corner, and then once the corners are done, we go to the inside. This makes it the easiest possible way to remove your frozen patties. And one more quick tip. If using the Burger Master for soups or other liquids, fill the individual compartments of the top tray instead of the bottom tray. This will help ensure you avoid accidentally overfilling it and causing a leak. So that's it for our instructional video on using the Burger Master. Thanks very much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please ensure to use the comment section below. And also check out our YouTube channel with dozens of recipes and innovative ways to use your shape+store products.